So this is how you test the aperture, if your aperture might be too slow, on the Minolta SR mount cameras, also known as the MC or MD, ranging from the SR series to the SRT series and the XD series and also the XG series, as well as the X100 series, for example X700. Alright, so the aperture should be really snappy. Here's a 50f2. It should be open and close really quickly, like this, because when you're looking through the viewfinder, it's open like this, so you can focus with a shallow depth of field, and then when the picture is taken, then it closes down and then opens back up again. So this action should be really fast, and you can try it on the camera as well. What you do is you put your aperture in at f16 or f22, and then I usually put my shutter speed at 1/1000th, but because of frame rate I have to put it at 1/30th of a second, and it should look like this. You only see a little hole in the lens when the shutter opens up. And how does it look when it doesn't work? So on my 100mm f2.5, the aperture is too slow. So I put it here in f22, and this is what happens. You see, the aperture is open all the way, and that's not what we want. And if I slow this down, we can see that if I put it on 1 second, we can see that it does close down, but really slow. And then when you take your shot, you will get too much light in and your shots will be overexposed. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.